Hey everybody. Today I want to talk about how to organize projects and tasks within TaskRay. How you'll do that is by using board filters. Board filters are a great way to only show certain projects or tasks to either yourself or different users to keep them kind of focused on what they need to work on to get their work done. You can see here the board filters are on the left-hand side of the All Work tab. Any view in here, you'll get this left-hand sidebar with that shows you the different board filters. TaskRay comes with a few out of the box, like the My Projects, My Tasks, and these you can definitely use as you see fit. The My Projects board filter will always show you the projects that you're a team member of. You might not own tasks in there, but you are a team member, so it'll show those there. And the My Tasks filter will only show you the projects and tasks that you own. So it's a really great way to keep people on task. So for example, we have the My Projects board filter selected. And if you scroll down, these are all of the projects that I am a team member of. So if I were to remove myself from one of these projects, this would no longer appear in the My Projects board filter. The other great thing is you can create your own custom ones. So in case you wanted to filter by a certain field, maybe you want to only show certain projects owned by a queue that you've set up, or a specific user that you want to keep track of. You can create your own board filters. It's really easy. If you see this board filters label here with the plus sign, we can create a new board filter. I will go into project and task filters a little bit later, but we'll start with this. Let's say we want to look at all projects. Here we show you it excludes archived and templates, and we'll add some filters. Let's say we want to filter by, I'll go with owner. And the owner, we'll apply that filter. So show me all projects owned by myself. We can name this project filter separately. And then I'll just want to see all the tasks. I don't really need to filter out by that much for the tasks, so I'll just say Ryan's projects. If you look down here on the right-hand side, bottom right, you can see the sharing settings. This option is in case you wanted to share this filter with anyone else. Right now, it's only going to be seen by me. I can either give it to all users, or I can actually filter by specific groups or roles that I only want to share those with. For now, I'll just give it to myself, hit save, and now we can see this new Ryan's Projects board filter. Now this might not look any different than the My Projects filter. This is a test org, but this is a great way to filter out if you have multiple users that you want to filter on. The other thing that I can look at is now that I've created that project filter, if we go to this power filter here, you can actually select that specific Ryan's Projects power filter. So now I've got all projects owned by myself, but let's say I wanted to select a different task filter. I could just do My Tasks. So now I'm filtering on all of my projects that I own and only showing me my tasks. So it's a really great way to kind of mix and match different filters to show you different information depending on what you need to see. The other great thing about creating your own filters, or even just using our own out-of-the-box filters, if you go to the Performance tab over here, and we'll go to Portfolio View, we can actually pull in these custom filters that we've used or created, as well as our out-of-the-box, to pull in the different projects that we want to get more insight into. So let's say engineering. We have this engineering project. It's in the green status. We've got the different task groups that it's associated with and the insights that you gain from that project. And by switching out the project filter, you get different projects in this view. So it's a really great way to segment your projects depending on who needs to see them, what their responsibilities are, and certain things like that.